Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one rhythm that we can play with the prayer "Ae Malik Tere Bande Hum." I got one request for this rhythm, so here it is. One, two, here we go. One, two, and three, and 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 one. Let's break it down now. We will play the first beat on the bass of our Congo like this. One. And then we will play high tom two times. And up. One and up. After this, we will play two on the bass and then we will play and on the high tom and bass together like this. And one and a two and. One more time. One and a two and. After this, we will again play the bass on the third beat, but this time we will mute the bass like this. 3. Make sure you just place your hand instead of bouncing it like this. After this, we will play the high tom two times. And up. 3 and up. And then we will play 4 on the mid tom and after this and on the high tom and mid tom together like this. And 3 and a 4 and. One more time. 3 and a 4 and. Now let's play the complete rhythm together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this rhythm on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.